Isa sa mga process na kailangan mo ayusin habang inaantay yung annulment mo is yung hatian ng properties ni Raymond. Kailangan maging malinaw sa inyong dalawa yung pagkakasunduan.
Okay. Alam naman ni Raymond kung anong para sa kanya at anong yung para sa akin. But Adrian, I'm more concerned about our daughter.
Libby is already an adult. Wala nang custody na kailangan ayusin.
But I'm trying my best to convince her to stay with me. I mean, pwede namang she could stay with Raymond during school days. Pag weekend sa akin.
Pwede natin i-request yung kay Raymond.
Ano pa?
How's your heart? I mean, are you ready to date again?
No. I'm not ready.
Charlene, after the annulment, you'll be single again. I'm sure. Maraming gustong maligaw sa'yo.
Just like what I said, I'm not ready. After what I experienced with Raymond, I don't think I could trust again.
Charlene, hindi naman lahat ng lalaki katulad ni Raymond. So don't lose your heart just yet. Mas marami pa dyan na deserving kaysa kay Raymond. Well, malay mo. Na-meet mo na yun. And he's just waiting na matapos ng annulment niyo so he can reveal his true intentions.